Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to delete a TikTok post. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. Then go ahead and select a post you want to delete. I'm going to delete this post right here. Having selected the post, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. The next thing you want to do is to swipe right here. Continue to swipe this way, and go ahead and click on this trash icon. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on delete. And the post will be deleted. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about TikTok topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.